I'm Kathy Terrell. I am so excited. I'm going to pair together with Tim Davies this year at Retail Global for a very special pre-event workshop, How to Grow a Solid Business on eBay. This is one you do not want to miss. Whether you're new to eBay selling and just coming on scaling, we've got tips for you. Now, if you're an experienced eBay seller, you definitely want to come to our workshop this year because there have been so many changes to eBay payments. There's a metric system now and changes to eBay search. And we're going to have information that you're going to want. Now, if you're an experienced cross-channel seller and you're on eBay, but you're just not seeing the results you think you should get, there's reasons for that, and we'll have information for you too. So come to Retail Global and be sure to sign up for our pre-event workshop, How to Grow a Strong Business on eBay. See you in Vegas. Bye-bye.